what? Lab activity. So what is that activity? Oxygen is evolved during photosynthesis. Hydrilla activity. Hydrilla activity. Today I am telling you, later we will do this activity in our lab. Now I am explaining this activity, page number 9. Page number 9, new textbook. Right side page. Left side, oxygen evolved during photosynthesis. Left side, you see sunlight is necessary to form starch in leaves. So leaves are performing photosynthesis, and leaves are green color. So majority of leaves are green color. Today we are tomorrow we will do this activity in our lab, and today I am explaining. So sunlight is necessary to form starch in leaf. So I told you to write activity process. We are writing this activity. So we are writing the steps of activity. So what are the steps we need to follow while to record the activity? A, material required, say precautions, procedure, observation, conclusion. So these are the steps we need to follow by doing this activity, any activity. Aim. What is the aim? Sunlight is necessary to form starch in leaf. To study, sunlight is necessary to form starch in leaf. That is aim. And next I am telling material required. So what materials are required to do this activity? But to do any activity we need what? Some materials. Material required. In examination, write the material required to do. Sunlight is necessary to form starch in leaf. Like that you are getting some question. ASC question. So here, what are the material required to do this activity? I am telling you clearly. A potted plant. A potted plant is having what? Broad leaves, but not narrow leaves. What activity? Carbon dioxide necessary for photosynthesis. We need what? A potted plant which is having what? Long and narrow leaves. But here we require what? A potted plant which is having what? Broad leaves. Very big leaves. Broad leaves. And that potted plant we need to take. And we need to keep the potted plant in the dark room for 3 days. For 2 to 3 days. We need to keep the potted plant in dark room for how many days? 2 to 3 days. Why we are keeping this potted plant in dark for 2 to 3 days? What is the reason? So in the dark, plant they do not prepare what? Food. They do not prepare food. Why? Light is necessary. So for that only we are doing this activity. After 3 days, we need to take the what? Potted plant out of the dark room. Dark room. And later we need to take what? A black pepper. We need what? Black pepper. Black pepper. This is black pepper. And we need what? Clips. 2 clips. And we need what? A dark pepper. What pepper? Dark pepper. And we need to cut the dark spread. So in the middle of the dark pepper we need to cut S shape or O shape or Y shape, any shape you like. And after taking the potted plant from the dark room, you need to select one leaf. Don't pluck it. And on the leaf you need to place this black pepper which is cut into S shape. In the center we cut it in the form of S shape. And later we are keeping what? Clips here. Thereby the paper is not. This paper is not fall on the ground. Why? Because there are clips are there. Clips are there. And thereby clips are useful to attach the leaf on the upper side of the leaf. So after attaching this clip, we need to keep the entire setup in the sunlight for few hours. After that, after exposing the what this leaves to the sunlight, we need to plug the leaf. We need to plug the leaf, and we need to remove the clips. We need to remove the paper, and after removing, so we are taking a leaf. We are taking a leaf, and now we are conducting a test whether the food is present in the leaf or not. Please give me a sharp piece. Speed. So after remove the clips, after remove the what black paper, and leaf is like this. The leaf is like this. This is the leaf, and leaf is like this. And we remove the what clips? We remove the black paper, and leaf is like this. And this leaf we need to keep in the methylated spirit. A test tube which is having what? Methylated spirit, and that should be kept in what? A beaker which is contains of water, and we need to boil it, heat it, and thereby these chlorophyll which are present in the leaf, they are dissolved, disappear, and leaf become what? Pale color. And that leaf we need to take it out, and we need to keep on a petri dish. And later we are adding, we need to add what? 1 or 2 drops iodine or betadine. And here, which part of the leaf turn into blue black? So this part, this entire part, the entire part is turned to bluish black, and this part is turned into bluish black. But here you see the cut portion of the S shape. The black paper only turn into bluish black. This is also turned into bluish black. But this part is not turned into bluish black. Why? What is the reason? Come on, tell me. What is the reason? Because here there is black pepper is there, and black pepper does not allow the sunlight to fall on the leaf. Thereby, sunlight is not fall on the leaf. So, in the absence of sunlight, leaves they are not preparing food. So that is the reason. And this part turns into bluish black. Why? Sunlight is fall to this cut portion. And here the exposed part. This is also exposed part. This part turns into bluish black, and this part turns into bluish black, and this part turns into bluish black, but this part is not turned into bluish black. So by this activity, we are learning that, we are knowing that sunlight is necessary to form starch in leaf. By this activity, we are learning what? We are knowing that, we have confirmed that what? Sunlight is necessary to form starch in leaf. And that is the brief description regarding what? Sunlight is necessary to form starch in leaf. Page number 9, right side, new textbook. Right side, new textbook. Okay children, this is about what? An activity, and this activity is what activity? Sunlight is necessary to form starch in leaf. Thank you.